Today I am actually playing TS Legacy. I think the game is really cool. Well, I'm literally waiting for the event I wanted. Christmas 2019. Well, if that game turns into that game we played, the game I played last time, the Frost Invasion version of the TDS, my recent video, my last video, other videos. So got some more recordings of TDS 2019, but I don't know where is my stuff from TDS 2019 video. So, let's see. Oh, nice. This is the coolest tower I like. The Victorian, life design. He looks really, he looks victorious. Well, actually, I'll try now, and, okay. John is so loud. The John Tower is loud. I think, Militant is good. I think it's a bit fine because of the, damages, but I like the Tiger Outlet. Bro, now he looks like he's from Pizza Party on TDS. Yeah, I got the badge, Lost Souls, and beat Pizza Party. I will try to play some more. Nice. I think that, man, I actually made a fan made of event TDS called the Biofuse Invasion, which is some legacy characters you know on TDS, the old version. Well, why am I in this map? Because I'm just gonna get the Platinum Crate. So I got a P3 maps left, and then like I had to think what map should I pick next. It feels like I'm gonna get the mini gunner, I believe. This long, more like weak. Strong, more like weak. It's actually weak. I need to like put this John Tower because for the help some help. So I'll just place a spoiler because I can just like make it funny. You know the video I stole on Discord meme? It's Zumbozash, which is called guys, what was your favorite? Huggy Wuggy 6 Scary Blue? Yeah, I am just gonna, I think this game needs to like, this game needs an Oscar. This game needs an Oscar. It actually needs Oscar. It actually needs an Oscar. It actually needs Oscar. And these enemies are trying to battle. And I want a bit more allies for reasons. Keep selling and sell. And oh hey, Spring Minigunner, the furries. When TS Legacy was released, I played with a weird looking Lolbit character, but I forgot the others. I was like playing as TV woman, and now I'm actually being the commando. Feels like I want the commando game pass. Weak, I can win, bro. There. There you go, and it's good. I'm just spamming outlaws. It doesn't look like I'm spamming outlaws. I'm just like making outlaws a lot. I don't know what. I know the best tower. I think Ranger is the best tower. More like outlaw, but no hidden detection. But awesome. Well, there's gonna be a reworked version of him, and it's gonna be like Hunter. No, it's not actually gonna be like Hunter. I don't know if it's a cliff tower or not. If it's like that guy from Tower Blitz, this should have been in the S tier at the TDS ranking. Let's see if we can destroy the whole Grave Diggers. Let's see. Come on, obliterate them. Oh my, we're obliterating them. Oh, we're obliterating Gravedigger. Only pros can destroy Gravedigger. You mean easy, boss? Finally. Yep, that's what it gives. So, goodbye.